Let's be real for a second. You're broke. No money, no girl, no real purpose. You wake up, scroll, and watch others live the life you wish you had, all while you're stuck in the same place. But here's the thing. No one's coming to save you. So either you keep scrolling, or you sit your ass down and watch this video till the end. Because what I'm about to show you could actually change your life. I'm talking about building a faceless YouTube channel that automates product reviews using AI. No need to buy products. No need to show your face. No need for expensive cameras. And yes, it can make you money from AdSense and Amazon affiliate links. I've spent 5 years in the trenches. I've failed. I've learned. And now I'm giving it all to you, completely free. But only if you watch this video without skipping. Because one secret I reveal here could be the start of your comeback. Let's go. Step 1. All right, here's how it starts. I head over to Amazon, not to shop, but to find opportunity. I'm looking for a product that's trending, profitable, and in demand. After a bit of scrolling, I find something interesting. A men's Tendus grooming kit. Looks clean, solid reviews, and clearly getting traction. This could be the one. Now, I don't just pick products at random. I collect everything. Title, features, benefits, even customer feedback. I copy it all into my document. This is the research phase, and trust me, it's the secret sauce. Once I've got the raw data, I move to the next step, turning this information into a high-converting, engaging script. For that, I use ChatGPT, but not just basic prompts. I have specific prompts that are fine-tuned to generate review scripts that hook attention, build trust, and drive clicks. This is the foundation: research, tools, and strategy. Most people skip it. That's why they fail. But if you follow this process, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Let me show you what I did next. Step 2. Now that I've got the script ready, it's time to bring it to life. But here's the trick. I don't record my own voice. Instead, I use ElevenLabs, which, in my opinion, is the best AI voice platform in the world. Seriously, the voices sound natural, human, and emotional. No robotic nonsense. All I do is paste my script, choose the voice I like, adjust the speed if needed, and boom, I've got a high-quality voiceover in seconds. This saves me hours, and more importantly, I don't even have to speak. If you're shy or just don't like how your voice sounds, ElevenLabs is a game changer. All right, with the voiceover ready, it's time to move on to the next part, turning this into a full video. Let's go. Step 3. All right, now it's time to add the magic. First, I collect some high-quality images of the product, the ones that look clean and professional. This helps give the video some visual punch and makes the review feel more real. But we're not stopping there. To take things to the next level, I head over to HeyGen, one of the best tools for AI-generated avatars. This tool lets me create a realistic digital presenter that looks like a real person. And the best part? They can speak using the voice we created earlier with ElevenLabs. So I upload the audio, pick a presenter style that matches the product's vibe, and just like that, I've got a full-on talking host without ever stepping in front of the camera. Step 4. Affiliate marketing gets powerful when paired with product reviews. By uploading review videos consistently on YouTube, I not only grow my channel, but also earn every time someone buys through my links. It's simple. Review, upload, earn. The more I post, the more I grow, and the more I make. Just join the program. Step 5. Now we put it all together. We choose a product from Amazon, copy its details and reviews, and drop them into ChatGPT to write our script. Then we use ElevenLabs for voiceover, and HeyGen to create a video of someone reviewing the product. We join Amazon's affiliate program, upload our video to YouTube, and never forget the affiliate link. That's where the money comes in. Views bring YouTube revenue. Clicks bring affiliate income. Stay consistent, and it compounds fast. Thanks for watching. I hope this idea you guys like it. Comment below for more video, and don't forget to subscribe.